Okay, so today we're going to talk aspect ratios in Midjourney, and this is for total beginners. Like, I didn't know what an aspect ratio is actually. I just wanted to be able to have a different sized image in terms of like the ratio of the height and the width, and this is what you do with aspect ratios. And Midjourney actually makes it very easy. By default, the aspect ratio in Midjourney is 1:1, which is this square, but you can set it also, so for example, to other common ratios like 16:9, which is this. So white is 16:9, or 9:16, which is what you have in Instagram stories or TikTok, or 3:2, which is common for photography. And also if you have like a typical picture frame, that's the size. But you can also do something completely different, like 165:28, and then it will generate something that is very white and not so high. And the most common aspect ratios are the ones we just went through, like these. You can see here 1:1, 16:9, 9:16, and 3:2. But you can really do with Midjourney complete custom aspect ratios. And if you, for example, have an image and you don't know what the aspect ratio is, but it's like let's say maybe it's some weird custom size, so 1139 times 736, then it calculates. There's a bunch of aspect ratio calculators, and you can calculate the aspect ratio here, and then you can use 1.55 to 1 in Midjourney, because Midjourney doesn't do the points, but you can do 155 to 100, right? So you just move the decimal point, and that is, let's see what our yeah, so this is then what happens in Midjourney if you go ultra wide. I don't know when you use an image like this, but come on, super slow now. Let's generate one of these, maybe this one. And then you will see it's a very wide image, not so high. It's actually too wide to fit in the screen I've selected for the screenshot here, but you get the idea.